Okay. Now 5 square is given as 5 into 5. It gives us 25. Please write down, everyone. This is the when means you have to learn this thing. Then we are able to find the squares of larger number. Because this thing you must need to know. This is 36. Uh, this is 7 into 7. This gives us 49. 8 into 8. This gives us 64. 9 into 9. It gives us 81. And 10 into 10. It gives us 100. Now 11 into 11 means 11 square gives us 121. 12 square means 12 into 12, that is 144. 13 square means 13 into 13, that is 169. 14 square is equals to 14 into 14, this gives us 196. 15 square gives us 15 into 15, this gives us 225.
225.
And 16 square gives us 16 into 16, 256. 17 square gives us 17 into 17. You have to learn all the things. 289. 18 square gives us 18 into 18, that is 324. 19 square gives us 19 into 19, this is 361. And 20 square, this is gives us 20 into 20, this gives us 400. And 21 square means 21 into 21, this gives us 441. And 22 square gives us 22 into 22, this gives us 484. 23 square, this gives us 23 into 23, this gives us 529. And 24 square,
22?
484. 24 into 24, this gives us 576. And 25
So what
is
is the square of 22?
484. 484. It gives us 25 into 25. So it will be represent, it will be given as 625. If you want to more learn, 26 square, 26 into 26, this will give us 676. 676, okay. If you want to learn 27 also, so 27 into 27, this gives us 729. Okay, and I am writing up to 30, I will write, but you need to learn at least from 1 to 25. आपको 30 तक मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ, आपको कोशिश करना 30 तक लर्न करने की, लेकिन एटलीस्ट मींस कम से कम आपको 25 तक आपको लर्न होने चाहिए. You need to learn from 1 to 25 squares. Okay, so now 28 square, this will be 28 into 28. This will be what? 784. Please check if this one is correct or not. 29 square, 29 into 29. This gives us a 860, 841 or 841. Okay, check that this one is correct or not. Maybe it's 860. 30 square, 30 into 30. This will give us 929. 29 correct or not? Okay, this is correct. And 28 is also correct. Okay, so these are the squares you need to learn. Up to at least 25 you have to learn. आपको 25 तक तो आपको लर्न करने ही करने हैं at any cost. ठीक है? Then I will tell you the how to find the squares of the greater number. Okay, but definitely I will discuss some numbers squares, how to find the basic things. Okay, so these things you have written or not up to 30th.
Written, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Written.
Moving on
Written,
next.
sir.
Okay, moving on. Now the first case I will study how to find the squares of. Write down first starting. Find the squares of numbers having ones place digit 0 and 5. फर्स्ट सिंपल थिंग हमें क्या करना है, अगर मान लो कोई भी डिजिट्स आपकी क्या है जिसका वंस प्लेस क्या है 0 and 5, प्लीज कीप दिस इन माइंड. 0 and 5 I am discussing only for the numbers which containing 0 and 5 ones place. So let's take some examples. So you will tell me any numbers between we will discuss beforehand up to 100 right now. Then after move on. So you will tell me the any numbers which containing ones place digit 0 and 5. 0 and 5.
95.
105.
I'm before I'm telling before 100. Firstly, right now.
25.
95.
55.
Okay, 95. We have to find 95 score. Anything else? Tell me 10 numbers.
25.
15.
55.
55.
25. 25.
25 already.
60.
60.
45.
45.
50. 30.
30 already you I have written over there.
20.
Yes.
20.
99. Try to tell me the numbers after 30.
99.
99 is a different technique, sir.
50. 40.
75.
90.
75 is square.
65.
65 is square.
65.
Yes, anything else?
85.
85.
85.
Okay, done.
40. 100. 80.
100. Okay. 100. 80, I think.
80.
90 already there. 80 square is there.
40.
Now it is okay. These numbers are sufficient to understood what are the basic concept behind this. So first thing I will discuss the numbers which containing 0 only. ठीक है, आपको अभी हम डिस्कस क्या करेंगे, केवल फर्स्ट 0 जिस पर है. दैट्स मीन दिस वन. Okay, this one and this one squares all there. This one and this one. Okay, so if the any numbers having 0 at one's place, so if you want to find the squares, firstly you will do आप करते क्या थे, इसको करते थे है ना, 60 into 60 करोगे, यही करोगे कि नहीं करोगे, 0 0 लगाओगे, 6 in 36 ऐसे करोगे नहीं करोगे, यस और नो?
Yes.
अब आपको करना क्या है, ये तो बहुत 0 वाला बहुत आसान है. पहला स्टेप, क्योंकि 0 आपके कितने हैं, 0 का स्क्वायर करना है तो आपको पहले हमेशा डबल 0 राइट करने हैं, 2 zeros. वंस और टेंस प्लेस पे 0 0 आएंगे हमेशा, ऑलवेज. ठीक है, फर्स्टली यू हैव टू राइट 2 zeros, फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, सेकंड स्टेप, you have to square only this number, and keep it over 36. Here. This is the square of 60. If you want to square for this number, firstly write down 2 zeros, then square of this number only, 9. Square of 9. Firstly 2 zeros, square of 9, that will be 81. Square means firstly 2 zeros, square of 10. What is the square of 10?
4 zeros.
Firstly, you have to write down 2 zeros, then square of this number. And square 100. Write down 2 zeros, square of this one, 64. So these are the squares of these larger numbers. These are too easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to this digits having 5 at one's place. These are also very easy. The first step, if the numbers containing ones place is 5. So firstly you have to write every numbers 25. मीन्स वंस और टू प्लेस पे 25 आप कॉपी कर दो आंख मूंद के। आपको देखना भी नहीं,
Yes, sir.
25 आपको कॉपी करना है सभी जगह, ठीक है। You have to copy it
Yes,
first
sir.
ones and tens place number. Why I'm going to copy 25? Because square of 5 will be what? 25. Okay. Now next you have to keep this in your mind. ये थोड़ा सा टफ है, थोड़ा सा सेकेंड स्टेप इसका टफ है। अब आपको जो भी आपका नंबर बचता है, वट एवर द नंबर रिमेनिंग, दिस इज 9 रिमेनिंग नाउ, yes or no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now take 9 and its successor. So आपको क्या लेना है, जो नंबर आपका रिमेनिंग है वो लेना है और जो सक्सीजर वो लेना है, दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपका आंसर आ गया, बात खत्म। अब अगर आप 95 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 95 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, आंसर आपका यही आएगा, आप चेक कर लो कैलकुलेटर से। यस क्लास, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू
explain one.
हाँ, what firstly you have to write if the ones place digit is 25, firstly you have to write 25, then after take that the numbers which are remaining, take that number and its successor, everyone know that successor of the given numbers, so 9 का successor क्या होता है, 10 होता है।
10.
क्या करना है, दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करना और कुछ नहीं। so 9025 is the answer of, is the square of 95. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now it is 5 is there, 5 and its successor will be 6, so 5 6 are
30.
everyone know that, so its answer will be 3025. Now here 3 into 4, that will be 4 CR 12. This is your answer. Are you getting me or not, class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
45, 4 into 5, that will be 20, 4 5s are 20, ठीक है। Now here 7 into 8, 8 7s are 56, this is the answer। 6 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 8 9s are 72. So now that you will get, without any multiplication, you get the squares of the number which are written over here at least. I hope you are at least you have learned something from this thing. Yes or no? Please, if you have learned something from
Yes,
here,
sir.
Yes, sir.
please tell me. Otherwise,
Yes.
no need. Please raise your hand those who learned something from here, from today's topics. If you don't have if you don't learn anything, no need to raise your hand. Tell me, sir, I am not getting. I will explain one more time. So many raise our hands, so
Sir?
many, but yes, Arya Navandar, your hands is not still not raised. I don't know.
Sir, please explain that 75 square.
Okay, so that what is the technique? Firstly, you have to write 25 75 square. आपको क्या करना, आंख मूंद के 25 राइट करना है विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, किसी से पूछना भी नहीं है। कोई कहेगा नहीं हम 35 लिखेंगे, क्यों लिखोगे भैया, पागल आदमी हो क्या, हम क्यों लिखेंगे 35, हम 25 लिखेंगे, ठीक है, बिकॉज द 5 स्क्वायर इज 25। नाउ सेकंड स्टेप, you have to take that number 7 and its successor, please keep this in your mind, जो नंबर आपका बचा है वो लेना है और उसका सक्सेसर लेना है, तो 8 7s are 56. This is your answer. Now it's only less than 1 minute is remaining, so that today's first topic is clear to you all. I hope I will discuss the more concept
sir.
regarding
Yes,
this
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, please,
Yes, sir. Okay,
please try one more times, try to learn all 1 to 25, ठीक है। आप पहला टास्क आपका ये है। सेकंड टास्क है more practice on between these numbers 0 means now this process will continue for the after 100 also. Suppose if you want to find 105 square, it will the same method, 25 successor of 11 is 10 is 11, 110, answer of this one is this, 105 square is this one. You can check your calculator. This method work for all the numbers which containing 0 and 5. Now see you tomorrow.